Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs in UAE. Let's see the latest vacancies and working interviews available in UAE. We have a latest working interview in Fujairah National Group on 5th of May. It is conducting in Sharjah. The timing is 9:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Let's see the vacancies available in Fujairah National Group of Development Research and Urban Planning. Vacancies are Architect Engineer or Interior Engineer. And the next one is Buildrite Construction LLC. It also comes under Fujairah National Group. Vacancies are QAQC Engineer, Civil Draftsman, Duct Foreman, Site Engineer, ELV Technician, Marble Installer, Planning Engineer, Female Secretary, Administration Support Arabic Female, Estimator or Quantity Surveyor MEP, Cost Controller and Planning, Contracts Administrator, Waterproofing and Insulation Technician, Firefighting and Fire Alarm Technician, Foreman for AC and Chilled Water, and the next is Dakar Tech Joinery and Fit Out. It also comes under Fujairah National Group. Vacancies are QAQC Engineer, Planning Engineer, Production Engineer, Production Supervisor, Quantity Surveyor, Site Engineer, Project Manager or in charge, Female Project Coordinator and Estimator. Next is at Cosmomed Healthcare section. It also comes under Fujairah National Group. Vacancy is Filipino registered nurse. Next is at Drive Tech, Fujairah National Construction and Transport on automobile section. It also comes under Fujairah National Group. Vacancies are diesel mechanic, light vehicle technician, sales engineer, automotive quality control engineer, commercial vehicle supervisor, passenger car electrician, lathe machinist. Next is at CG Residence Facility Management section. It also comes under Fujairah National Group. Vacancy is for front office receptionist, pool attendant, night auditor front office, nursery attendant, gym attendant. Pre-registration is mandatory for all above positions. Scan to register now on the QR code which is showing here. If the QR code is not readable, do the pre-registration using the below link address. Interview location is at Copthorne Hotel, Al Majaz 3, Buhaira Cornish Road, Sharjah. The next is Sabris Food Trading, Al Qusais, Dubai. Vacancy is for van sales executive. Send your resume to admin@sabris.com. Next is at Fnatech Group, Dubai. Vacancy is for accountant. Send your resume to info@fnatechgroup.com. Otherwise, WhatsApp to 052 959 5061. The next is for Medical Group, Abu Dhabi. Vacancies are Laser for Derma Nurse, 2 number, General Medicine Nurse, 1 number. Applicants must have HAAD license. Send your resume to WhatsApp 919605233686. The next is at Unitech General Contracting LLC. Vacancies are Civil Project Engineer, Civil Site Engineer, Receptionist, Storekeeper. Send your resumes to hr@unitechuae.com. And the other vacancies are in Unitech General Contracting LLC are Civil QAQC Engineer, Document Controller. Send your resumes to hr@unitechuae.com. The next vacancy is at Gardenia Contracting. The vacancy is for Storekeeper MEP. Send your resume to hr@gardenia.ae. The next vacancy is at QScope Manpower Supply Services, Dubai. Vacancy is for Finance and Accounting Executive. Send your resume to katrina@qscorpme.com. The next vacancy is at Sukal Mubarak Hypermarket. Vacancies are cashier, garment staff, sales staff. Send your resume to hrsouk2024@gmail.com. The next vacancy is at Fresh Bite Catering LLC. Vacancy is for purchasing officer. Requirement is 3 to 4 years UAE experience. Send your resumes to recruitment at freshbytepc.ae. Next vacancy is at Grand Oise Supermarket, UAE. Vacancies are delivery man, delivery driver, packer, Arabic baker, butcher, fishmonger, sales associate, barista or coffee shop, sales associate for fresh market delicatessen, storekeeper, stock receiver. Send your resume through Grandoise career website career.grandoise.ae/c/. Next vacancy is at Synergy Group, Dubai. Vacancy is for WWTP operator. Requirements are diploma in mechanical and 2 years above experience. Send your resumes by WhatsApp 050 5520 821. Next is at Enoch, Dubai. Vacancies are regional sales manager, administration in charge, manager in accounting and tax complaint. Send your resumes by Enoch career website careers.enoch.com. Next vacancy is at Jumps Avaron English High School, Dubai. Teaching vacancies kindergarten mathematics. Send your resumes by hr_OOD at gemsedu.com. Next vacancy is at Jashanmal National. Vacancies are accountant receivables, accountant payable, accountant order management, IT assistant, admin coordinator, driver. Send your resumes to enoch.khan@jashanmalgroup.com. Next vacancy is at Diafa International School, Abu Dhabi. It's under British Curriculum School, looking for British trained and qualified teachers. Vacancies are AL teacher, English HOD, geography teacher, food technology teacher, English teacher, physics teacher, career counselor, special education teacher, music teacher, head of physical education. Send your resumes to careers@diafaschool.com. Contact number is 050 625 4537. Next vacancy is at Emirates Printing Press. Vacancies are offset printing machine operators, offset assistants, sheet fed Mogrove machine operators, die cutting machine operators, UV varnishing or lamination machine operators, roll to sheeter machine operators, foiling hot stamping machine operators, window pasting machine operators, die cutting machine operators, folder and gluer operators, cutting machine operators, quality inspection machine operators, ink technicians, supervisor or foreman, rotograph printing machine operators, printers experience in rotograph machine with inline die cutting experience, assistant rotograph machine operators, die cutting machine operators, format machine operators, and client service executives. Send your resumes to hr@eppdubai.com.